Hello everyone, Leigh Moore here. Today let's talk about health and self-care. Health is really important, especially this time of year when there's so much going around and it's easy to maybe do some things that are not going to be to the best interest of your health. But those are choices that we can make. And if we see everything we do as self-care, it might help us to have a more healthy lifestyle. For instance, some of those choices that we're making, if everything is self-care, some of them are going to be more helpful to your health, and some of them might be a little less helpful. I'm not saying that we shouldn't splurge sometimes, or that maybe a really good day every once in a while is to not even get out of your pajamas. Maybe all that is self-care, but maybe it all needs to be looked at in an overall view of how self-care should be and how that's going to affect you. Some of the best ways of figuring out how this is going to be for you is to listen to your body and also listen to your inner self. We all have this inner self that tries to help us, guide us maybe, and letting us know what might be our better choices. It never makes choices for us. It just sits back there and watches and says, interesting. But it may give you signals that tell you, if you did this, it might have a better outcome for you. But then it's always up to us. All of our choices every day are always up to us. We choose what we do now in this moment, but that also chooses the consequences of what's going to happen later. Now remember, consequences don't have to be bad things. Consequences can be whatever happens, but it can be and should be linked to the choices we've made earlier. So by making these wiser choices that are going to be more fitting to a healthy lifestyle, we can choose having a better tomorrow. And with New Year's right around the corner, who isn't thinking about a better tomorrow? Thank you for joining me.